So this morning I received this 1981 Corvette assembly manual I bought from a seller on eBay. Came with a nice little binder and everything. And this book is going to be coming so handy for many projects. I used this one a few days ago, but anyway, beautiful condition, my goodness. And it was an excellent price. So anyway, like I always say, if you're gonna work on one of these cars, you want to have the factory assembly manual. These books are really worth their weight in gold. That is an excellent purchase. These things are looking pretty ratty. They're the original keys, I guess. So, here we have brand new ones. I'm going to test to make sure they work. Okay, so I made these very thin rubber pads. These were actually left over from drawer liners. And I always save this kind of stuff because these actually worked out perfect for this project. And what I plan to do is, yeah, call me crazy, is to put one there and one here, just to provide a little extra cushioning for the battery base, and while still providing enough drainage, and let's hope that I never need that, but that is the plan. Anyway, what I did is I attached this carpet, very thin, very sticky adhesive, double-sided adhesive, these things. And now what I'm going to do is position them here so they're like centered. I hope. And let me tell you, once you do this, you've made the commitment. So that ain't going anywhere. And I'll do the same thing for the other piece. So this one is gonna live right here. And again, this is just totally optional. I wanted it to have a little more cushioning than just the traditional way of setting the battery on top of that. I'll give myself a little room here. And that is in there very nicely. I bought new bolts for the side terminals. And I just realized I need the little wrench for them. Let me go grab one. I've got contact there. And let's do the negative terminal now. Oh yeah, this is so much better than the old stuff they had. I always like to wear eye protection. I'm always paranoid. I don't know why about these batteries. I don't know if that would do any good, but why not? And of course, down here, you would have the little clamp that secures the battery in place. So anyway, I don't know if that was of any help or value, but I thought I'd share whatever it is I'm doing with the car in case you want to do something similar. Let's see what USPS Santa brought us. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is really, really nice. And it'll look good. Now, wait a minute. This is for my 76. I have the another Bicentennial. I have a few of these different license plates, but that's pretty cool. It's got some red and blue and of course the white. So I think that is just to have a little variety there. And it's not that I'm a collector of bicentennial plates by any stretch of the imagination, but I have a few that are cool, I think. So whenever I see one for a nice price, I'll pick it up. But this is my favorite because I had one that I had bought when I was in Utah back in '76 when they first came out, and I was at a Western auto parts store. I used to hang out there, and it just came out, and I bought one. And of course, over the years, it's long gone. But I found a couple of these actually. So sometimes I like to install a different one that is also bicentennial because I call my 76 a bicentennial Corvette. So sorry, 81. This one is for the 76.